and he's involved in other society activities, including the ASME 2014 Energy Forum on Shale Development and Hydraulic Fracturing. Dr. Guerrero is currently a principal R&D and business development at Draper Laboratory in Cambridge, Massachusetts. I'd like to welcome Dr. Guerrero as the incoming president for ASME.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this International Pipeline Conference, a premier gathering of pipeline professionals. As President nominee for ASME, I look forward to expanding my opportunities to meet with engineers and other technical professionals who are moving engineering forward on some of the world's most important challenges. This is one of those occasions. IPC in Calgary has evolved a reputation for pipeline expertise that reflects the extensive pipeline infrastructure throughout North America and its strong affinity to the industry leaders' collaboration represented here. So, with gratitude, I would like to acknowledge a few people. Co-chairs of the event, the staff representing Canadian Energy Pipeline Association. Patrick Pierre, ASME Fellow and ASME Representative to IPC. Your work, the organizing committee, and those of the many volunteers and staff that make this conference are greatly appreciated. As always, ASME is pleased to be involved in such prestigious company as our longtime partner, the Canadian Energy Pipeline Association, which represents Canada's transmission pipeline companies responsible for transport of key energy supply throughout North America. ASME also thanks the many sponsors which have made time here more productive and our networking that much easier. I would like to recognize ASME Pipeline System Division China chapter, which hosted its first lunch and seminar yesterday, creating relevant content to meet the needs of members and related professionals, and is important to ASME, and I congratulate efforts such as the China chapter in endeavoring to meet those needs. ASME's Pipeline System Division is a prime example of networking with engineering communities, international cooperation, and the sharing of global best practices. The worldwide reach of this conference is quite significant, and I appreciate the diversity of experiences and cultures it brings, providing opportunities that lead to greater productivity and innovation. Working together will help us address the many challenges in our changing world. Pipeline systems are key to energy, water, and liquid transportation solutions and their impact on sustainable development and safety. For those of you here today, engineering has experienced tremendous growth alongside increasing demand for resources and solutions on a global scale. Our roles as innovators and advocates continue to expand. Conferences like IPC are making it possible for engineers to commercialize innovations so that we can meet global demands for a higher quality of life. Today, interdisciplinary teams work together to integrate complex systems and introduce risk management and efficiency approaches throughout the life cycle process. Like the revolution we are seeing in advanced manufacturing, all engineering design is directly impacted by many new technologies, new materials, new standards, and new processes. The 21st century is marked by the integrating of technologies in competitive markets. We are restructuring engineering education, just as we are restructuring the foundational building blocks of all engineering fields. I am glad that Young Pipeliners Association of Canada held sessions here today by including early career engineers in important industry conference like this helps to build a foundation for the future. Today, all engineering design is undergoing a revolutionary change. Not only do people expect more from technology, but the way people want to live also evolves, changing the values upon which engineering design moves forward. Advances in technology are creating new ways to work as engineers, while helping us understand the needs of future generations. Safety remains a priority in a complex world of risk management. ASME has championed pipeline safety worldwide through its standards and certification activities. Through the consensus of expert volunteers, ASME develops and revises requirements and guidelines for high quality, safe pipeline design, operation, and maintenance. Please, let it be known to your associates throughout the world that ASME encourages greater participation in the standard development process. Committee work now includes a growing number of international working groups, which provide volunteers a way to fully participate in ASME standards activities in their respective language and locale. Some of you here today have participated in the development of those standards. I want you to know that your work is vitally important to enhancing the safety culture that engineering values and shares. In closing, I want to wish all of you a productive meeting. Thank you for coming, and thank you for contributing to technology that makes the world a better place. Thank you very much.